Hey, Dr. Pathan here from Personalized Physical Therapy and Wellness, welcoming you all to the new year 2021. We all have been waiting for this year, haven't we? It's been an amazing journey following along for helping the people here in the community, serving the community here in Winston-Salem, in the Triad area, and we continue to deliver our best care and best service, and we continue to promise you that we will continue to deliver that best care and best service for each and every one of you in the upcoming 2021 new year, or rather I should say we are in one, aren't we? Well, we are kicking off a series of workshops, and that starts with January 5th, a healthy bladder workshop, and that is being hosted by Personalized Physical Therapy and Triad Lifestyle Medicine, and conducted by none other than my very own wife, Farhin Pathan, and she is experienced as well as done multiple research behind these issues of bladder, as well as pelvic floor incontinence, urinary incontinence, issues with pregnancy, post-pregnancy, back pain, pelvic issues. So all of these combined and together, we are doing a bladder specific workshop, and then based on your feedback, we'll continue to deliver more workshops as we start this series. Then on January 14th, we're doing a golf-based workshop. Dr. Tyler McClurg, our newest addition to the team of Personalized Physical Therapy, he is delivering a workshop on how to eradicate or improve the hip and back pain while playing golf. And the title to that workshop is Golf Proof Your Hip and Back. And then we start a series of workshop in partnership with Greater Shepherd Center here in Winston-Salem, and that is starting on January the 21st, and that's in the evening at 5 p.m. and that's kicking off a series of workshops every week, every Thursday at 5 p.m. that we're doing arthritis prevention, then joint pain, then falls, all of the specific workshops that we want to compile together. That's a 6-week series, and all of these are virtual. All of these are available for public to attend. And make sure that you're registering as they come along. You'll get emails about it. But as they come, please register, and we'll be more than happy to serve you in this new year. We're ready for it, and I hope you are.